Welcome. What we're looking at right now is how to share your screens within Microsoft Teams. Um, we will be using this in class, specifically in our breakout groups. And very often when we're collaborating on a document, it's easier just to show somebody what you're talking about rather than try to describe what it is that you're actually looking at. So if you're working on something, you just want to show them your screen, we can do that very simply. First off, you have to be in a team. A team meeting has to be started. And I already have one going on my screen right here. It's just me in the meeting, but this is a meeting. We can see the chat feature once again, the raise your hand, a bunch of the other things. But specifically what you'll be looking for, and once again, those of you working with me, it'll probably be kind of down here on your screen. You'll be looking for this kind of square with an arrow pointing up. That's how you can share your screen. Now, when you first click this, it can be a little intimidating because what do you click now? The easiest thing that I have found is to always just select the desktop. There's different things that you can select as well, but it will show that and just that item. So if I wanted to share this lesson frame PowerPoint with somebody else, I could click that. They would see the lesson frame thing, but they would literally see nothing else in my computer, which when you go from tab to tab to tab can get a little confusing because you navigate away from something and you forget that the people that you're talking to don't actually see what you're seeing anymore. So I'm going to select the desktop, and literally now anything that's in front of my face will also be in front of the people that I'm talking to. What I don't know if you can see is you'll see a red bar that goes, or a box I should say, that goes around the perimeter of your entire computer screen. And when you see that red bar, you know for sure that you're sharing that screen. So now I can be on my Microsoft team. I'm in my first hour class right now, but I could go to anything else and I am still sharing this screen because I see a red box going around the perimeter of my screen. I can go to different websites. I can go to different documents. I can open up files. Literally at this point, anything that's on my screen, everybody that's in my meeting will also see this as well. We will be practicing with this today in class, but it will probably be of great use for you as we progress with the school year this year.